Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video we're going to make a cute little coupon or gift card holder book that would be great for Mother's Day or even for a graduate. So I just have some tags cut in there. There are 4 pockets, plenty of room for those tags and a gift card. And we're going to start with a 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper from your stash. We're going to cut it at 7 3/4, do some scoring, and then make a pocket for the bottom. So I'm checking the directionality of my paper to make sure that I have it going the right way. And then I cut that at 7 3/4 of an inch. And now we're going to score it at 3 inches. So that will be at 3, 6, and 9. Now I'm going to turn that to what will be the bottom of the little booklet for the pocket and score at 2 1/2 inches. Now we're going to fold and burnish on all those score lines, and this will make for a much neater little book and easier to fold to get in its final shape. So again, those are 3-inch scores there, and then a 2 1/2 inch score along the bottom. Now what we'll do is we'll accordion fold and burnish as we go to make the little book. So now we're going to have 4 little pockets there. And then to hold it together, I like to use ribbon. And so what I do is I leave the ribbon on my spool and then just measure out some just by eyeballing it, leaving long enough little tails on that right-hand side so that I'll have enough room to tie a bow. Now to secure it until you can get an embellishment in place for the front, I like to put a little adhesive there to hold that in place, and then I also go ahead and put some on the back to keep it secure. So what we'll have to do then, you can use any stamp set, any embellishments you like. In these tags, if you don't have a die cut, you cut it 2 by 4 and then cut little tag ends. Punch a hole at the top and then thread through some either ribbon or twine or linen thread, and then you have an extra pocket for a gift card holder. So I also thought you could use make DIY coupons for Mother's Day, like good for one lunch out or let's go to the movies. Just anything that would be fun that you could do with the recipient. So again, have fun making these and surprise someone this Mother's Day with this cute little holder. This is Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, inspiring you to create, share, and make a difference. Take care. Bye-bye.